Welcome to the GLIDER Image Plotting Tools tutorial. This video will briefly describe the plotting tools available in the current release of GLIDER. The first plot we will look at is an image transect. You go to the Tools menu, select Profiles, and Transect. Now with the mouse, click and drag a line, and this profile will pop up that shows the red, the green, and the blue channels values at each of the points along that line. We can draw another line in the image and it will generate another plot for that line. Whichever line is active will be shown in red. Along with the transect profile, we can plot a spectral profile. Click Tools, Profiles, and Spectral, and then move to a point in the image, left mouse button, and this plot will appear that shows the channels grouped together by similar unit. In this case, all of the thermal infrared channels in the MODIS image are being plotted for that pixel location. We can continue to select multiple pixel locations, and the chart will be updated with the values at those locations. We can also change which channels are displayed in our spectral profile. In this case, we're looking at the reflectance channels in the MODIS image. We can look at other groups of channels within the data as well. When you are done with the plots, you can remove them by clicking on the Close buttons. The plots, we can close them by clicking on the Close button. The next plot type we'll look at are 2D scatter plots. We go to the Tools menu, select 2D scatter plots, and we'll use the Region of Interest selector. We draw our box and the scatter plot will appear in a window. Currently, the red and the green channel will be plotted. Eventually we will have a selector that will allow the user to pick which channels are displayed. Finally, we can display histograms of the three displayed channels by selecting Tools, Histogram, and again we use the Region of Interest selector. You can see each of the individual histograms in this display. Each of these windows can be moved independently. You can also minimize the windows and they will store at the bottom of the screen, and then click again to restore them. This concludes our tutorial of the GLIDER image plotting tools. The next tutorial in the series will cover GLIDER image processing and clustering algorithms.